Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week, our series where we tell you all about a chosen tea each week. This week we are focusing on one of my favorite teas to drink iced, organic passion tea. This tea is deliciously tart and refreshing and has wonderful health benefits even though it isn't technically one of our wellness teas. The base of this tea is organic green rooibos. Green rooibos is from the same plant as the more common red rooibos, but is processed differently. Red rooibos is oxidized, which gives it its reddish-brown tint, while green rooibos is dried before it has a chance to oxidize. Green rooibos is slightly higher in antioxidants and less earthy than red rooibos, but is otherwise very similar. Being packed with antioxidants, green rooibos is great for strengthening the immune system and helping to fight colds and flus. The next ingredient is organic hibiscus. Along with adding a delicious tart flavor and pink color to this blend, hibiscus flowers can help boost the immune system, protect your skin from free radicals, support kidney health, and provide relief from painful inflammation. The final ingredient in this blend is organic lemongrass. Lemongrass provides a distinct citrusy flavor to this blend, along with some important health benefits. Lemongrass is a powerful anti-inflammatory, can reduce fevers, and improve sugar and cholesterol levels in the blood. Lemongrass can also help to provide the body with vital antioxidants to prevent viral infections. Now let's make a drink using our organic passion tea. To start our recipe, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of my organic passion tea with about 6 ounces of nearly boiling water. While that's steeping, I'm going to blend half a cup of chopped up watermelon and then strain out the seeds and pulp to make a nice smooth juice. Once I've got my watermelon juice strained, I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon and then move on to my iced tea, which is nice and brewed. Once I remove the tea leaves, I'm going to add ice cubes and stir until the ice cubes are all melted to help cool down the tea and not melt the ice that I pour it over. Finally, I'm going to pour my iced tea over ice in a glass and then top it with my watermelon and lemon juice. This makes a delicious, refreshing beverage that's great any time of the year, but especially perfect in the summer. With a couple extra lemon slices, this is ready to serve. Thanks so much for joining us for Tea of the Week this week. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you can check out what we've got going on elsewhere. The description below will have all the links you need to purchase everything you saw in this video, and check out the rest of our website for more info. Have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!